What's up, y'all? It's Trending Sense. You tuned to the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. So, how do you make $11,000 off of one YouTube video? Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you about this real quick. It's a secret to the madness, folks. It's a secret to it. I know how to do it, but am I like focused on something like that for my channel, my niche? Not really, not really. My niche, I talk about self-development and stuff like that, and so. I understand, my niche and all the things. But anyway, so I was watching this guy's video the other day, and he was showing us viewers how to make a lot of money on YouTube videos. And he showed us one video that he had 10 million views, had generated him $11,000, and it generates him $11,000 a month. And so that's how it works here on YouTube. For those of you who want to become a vlogger or whatever, yes, we get paid every single month. We get Google checks every single month based on how much money all the videos have accumulated together, like based on the ads, whatever they put on the front of the video. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the inside tip on how to make $11,000 on one video. But at the same time, I'm going to encourage you to start a YouTube vlog today or tomorrow. It's simple, folks. All you got to do is use your cell phone and just upload videos. Okay, so how do you do it? Okay, being a vlogger for 2 years, one thing I've learned is a lot of things. First things first, always have a really catchy title. Notice when you're on YouTube and you're clicking videos, there are only two things that you look at. First thing you look at is the title. That title makes you click that video just because of the way they word it. And I know a lot of people make clickbait footage and stuff like that, on their channels, and all kinds of manipulative ways to get you to click a video. But you have to do that a little bit too. You have to be, a little bit manipulative for a good reason. But at the same time, don't mislead viewers. Don't mislead viewers to watch something that's not really what you entitled it to be. You know what I'm saying? Because YouTube, like tracks all of that. They track how long somebody's on your video. They track whether or not you get thumbs up, thumbs down, all that stuff. Okay, so make sure that you have a really, really catchy title. The second thing is on how to make a video that gets you $11,000 a month is make sure that the thumbnail is popping, eye-popping. And when I say that, what I mean is it needs to have a lot of contrast in it. Notice the stuff that you click on YouTube. You see it, but it makes you think in your mind like, oh man, I have to go see what this video is about, because it pulls you in with some type of image or something that, some type of image that goes along with that title, and it makes you think, I want to know more about this. It strikes your curiosity, and that's what you have to do. And this thumbnail, for instance, if you're going to have words on your thumbnail, the words have to be very, very big, okay? If you're going to have an image, the image needs to be very, very intriguing, and so does the title, folks. And listen, last but not least, this is the last tip I'm gonna give you on how to make a YouTube video that can earn you $11,000 a month. And I'll tell you the reasons why you should become a YouTuber in a second here. But anyway, so the third thing is make sure that you have a very entertaining video. For whatever the content is, whatever you're doing, make sure that you're able to keep your audience's, your viewers' attention for at least 5 minutes, folks. 5 minutes. And I have to say this, one of the things that people like is to laugh. People love to laugh. And if you can keep somebody watching your video for 5 minutes and keep them entertained with laughing or something like that, folks, that video is going to get marked as, a video that people likes. And it's going to keep on gaining more and more views. And then the next thing you know, it will go viral. It will go viral if it's really intriguing. So remember those 3 things, YouTuber. First thing is the title. Very catchy. Something that even you would click. Number 2, the thumbnail. Very catchy. Very eye-popping. If you're going to use words, make them big. It needs to be a picture that strikes somebody's curiosity. You will even click it if you were watching. You know what I'm saying? Or if you was on YouTube or whatever. And number 3, make sure that you have very strong, entertaining content that makes somebody watches it for at least 5 minutes. And I can guarantee you this video is going to get more and more views every single day, and you're gonna eventually get to the level of that guy I was telling you about, who had like a video, he had 10 million views and he made $11,000 a month off that one video. Now I ain't talking about all the other videos that he probably got on his channel, but that one video makes him 11,000, $11 grand every single month. And that's how YouTube pays you. YouTube pays you according to how many views your video gets. You know, and that video has to be very entertaining, you know, and they'll cut you a check every month, you know, along with all the other videos that you make. But I really encourage you to become a YouTube vlogger like today or tomorrow. It's so great right now. You know, it's ripe. YouTube is ripe right now if you want to become an entrepreneur and you don't want to work and stuff like that. It's the perfect platform for somebody with creative energy, somebody who always has something to talk about. And somebody that, you know, is known for, you know, helping people and creating, you know, entertainment content. Or, you know, if you want to be some type of comedian, if you want to be an actor, you know, if you want to be a beautician, whatever the case may be, YouTube is the best platform nowadays if you want to make a lot of money. And they out there cutting them checks. Google is cutting them checks. I'm telling you, left and right. I have this program on my computer that allows me to see how much money each video makes on my computer, right? And man, sometimes I see videos, you know, making like $20,000 a month. You know, sometimes I see videos that make like $300 a month. You know, come on. You could use $300 a month off of a video that you ain't even gotta watch no more after you make it. And it's just out there generating money every day. You know what I'm saying? Every single day. So it's really easy, man. Like it's really easy. It's not hard at all to like be a YouTube vlogger and to make a real viral video. I've been doing this for like 2 years now. For 2 years, and I've learned so much, you know, being a YouTube vlogger. And this has given me so much relief being a vlogger that I wouldn't have had if I didn't start my YouTube channel. You know, I ain't even as stressed like I used to be because I can vent. I have somewhere to vent. And you can do the same thing too. Like, you can use YouTube platform as somewhere you can vent. And believe it or not, well, somebody gonna come along and they're gonna like your ideas. They're gonna like your ideas. So folks, you can make a lot of money off this stuff. I think I was watching one of Beyonce's videos. Y'all know she's signed on a record label, whatever the case may be. But anyway, I was looking at one of Beyonce's videos, her music videos, which is probably only, the video probably itself is only about 6 minutes long. What is it, 6 minutes? What was about 6 minutes? I think it was about 5 or 6 minutes long. Man, this video had generated like $100,000. You know what I'm saying? Like, in every month it generates $100,000. Like, and so it ain't even really about subscribers on YouTube. Keep this in mind too, folks. It's not really about subscribers, because I've seen videos with like 12 million, 14 million views, 20 million views, you know, but they might not have nothing but like 100 subscribers or, you know, 1,000 subscribers. So it's nothing to do. You don't really get paid off your subscribers, folks. You know, a lot of people come to me and ask me, the first thing I tell them I'm a vlogger or whatever, they're like, how many subscribers you got? Because in most people's minds, they don't know about the YouTube lifestyle. But really, it's not about how many subscribers you got, because the subscribers are not paying you. What you're getting paid for is the views. The views. You're getting paid for the views. This is how advertisers make their money, when your video gets views. Okay? So imagine if you had a whole bunch of videos and you had advertisements on all those videos. That's how much money you would get. You won't get paid based on how many subscribers you have. You can have 3 subscribers, but have 2 viral videos. One of them has 20 million views, and one of them has like 3 million views. And you can be making like $20,000 every single month off just these 2 videos. Okay, so I'll let you go back and think about it.